Welcome back to Unity Car, friends. Today I've brought something really amazing for you, a camper that feels like a tiny moving palace. Yes, this is the WonderLife Camper, and once you see its features, you'll be amazed. Let's first step inside the interior. As soon as you enter, you'll see a small but well-designed living area. Here, you'll find a cozy sofa where you can relax after a long journey. Next to it, there's a compact kitchen, equipped with everything you need, from a stove to a sink, making sure cooking on the go is never a problem. Moving further, you'll notice a soft and comfortable bed, giving you the same peace as your home. Curtains on the windows bring extra privacy, while the lighting system adds a warm and stylish vibe inside. And yes, this camper even has a neat little bathroom, so no matter where you travel, comfort always stays with you. The best part is, despite being small, the WonderLife Camper has been designed with such smart use of space that everything from sofa, kitchen, bed, and bathroom fits perfectly. It's like carrying a mini house on 3 wheels. So friends, if you're dreaming of adventures with full comfort, this WonderLife Camper is a perfect choice. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unity Car, because I'll keep bringing you such amazing vehicles. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and keep enjoying.